Hello, hello, friends and family of Immanuel Richton Park. So obviously, things are a little bit different right now. The CDC has made some recommendations, and due to those recommendations, we at Immanuel have decided that we will continue worship at this time, but it will only be online. Um, Fortunately, we are already built to have a great live stream on Sunday mornings, but most of you have not had the opportunity to view us online. So you might be kind of like, oh, Lisa, I'm not sure how to do that. That's okay. I'm here to help you out. So what we're going to do right now is I'm actually going to show you on my smartphone how to view us online. It isn't any different on your computer, but you might still kind of be like, I really want to see what it looks like on a computer. Again, it's not going to be much different, but if you just absolutely want to see what it looks like on a computer, you can go to our Facebook page. I did do a Facebook Live a little bit earlier. I hate doing live videos, but for you, I did it. So you can take a look there. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. So what you're first going to do is you're first going to go to our website, which is immanuelrp.com or immanuelrichtonpark.com. Either way, it's going to get you to the same site. So it will bring you to a page that looks a little something like this. Please forgive me, the lighting in here is kind of terrible, but we're doing what we can with what we got right now. So you're just going to scroll down. There's a little information about coronavirus, a little bit for our guests, a little something about worship, and then you're going to see this lovely video camera, and it's going to say worship online with live stream. There's a little something about it, and then you can click this little box here, which it does say worship now, but you can't see that on here. So it's going to take you to this page. Now you're looking at it and you're going, oh my goodness, it's broken. What am I going to do now? Don't worry, it's not broken. It's just because we are not currently streaming. So it will remain like this until we actually start streaming on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. So even if you tune in a little bit early because you're like, I just want to make sure that I get to the website, get to the right page, that's fine. You can do that, no problem. At 9 a.m. on Sunday, you'll want to go ahead and refresh. So on my phone, I just kind of pull down like that and it refreshes like that. And you'll see it does that. And if it continues to do that, just keep doing that until you see either the front of the church or pastor or something other than this. So then you'll be able to play it. You can also go ahead and you can make it bigger by hitting the square there. Turn your phone to the side. There's also volume control there as well. If the volume's off, you can just click on it. It's not going to do much right now because we're not actually streaming anything. As far as giving online, you can do that right from here as well. You can click online giving down there, and it will take you to our online page. You can also go to mightycause.com, mighty as in like, ooh, I'm really mighty, not weak, mightycause.com, and it'll look like this. And then you can just search up here with that little magnifying glass. Search down here, Immanuel Richton Park. Go. And you'll see this little box here. It says Organization Immanuel Evangelical. Click on that. It's going to look a little something like that. It's going to look like that. Not a little something like that. You can click Donate. And then you'll just scroll down. It's got some suggestions here, some things that we use for during the year. But you can just scroll down until you see donation amounts. Again, you're not going to see that because the lighting in here is really terrible. So you can enter any amount that you want. It'll also ask you some information, your name, your email address, your card number, all that kind of good stuff. And then down here, it'll give you a total and then it'll tell you pay. Whatever amount you put in, and then you'll just click pay. Obviously, it's not going to let me do that right now because it's like, oh, you need to give me more information. So you can do it that way. You can also text us the word give to 708. Don't text anything but that word, give. Give to 340-6655, and it will send you a direct link so that you can give that way as well. So that should cover it for you. Hopefully this made sense. If you have a hard time, check it out now. Make sure that you can get to the sites that you want to get to. If you can't, please send me an email at this email address or the church email address. We are checking that as well. Or you can send me a text. Or if you have my number, you can give me a call, whatever. I'm here to help you, and we are here to serve you the best way that we can during this time. So thank you so much. God bless, and we will see you soon. Bye.